Welcome, fellow traders. Today, we're diving into essential risk management strategies for beginners in online trading. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your approach, these tips will help you navigate the turbulent waters of the financial markets. First and foremost, let's talk about the importance of choosing a reliable and regulated company which plays a crucial role in your trading journey. Opt for a company with a solid reputation and regulatory oversight. This ensures that your funds are safe and that you're trading in a transparent and secure environment. Next, consider working with a professional account manager who can provide you with valuable knowledge and guidance. Collaborating with an experienced mentor can significantly accelerate your learning curve and help you avoid common pitfalls in the market. Last but not least, let's debunk a common myth: the belief that investing small amounts will keep you safe. While it's true that starting with a smaller balance might seem less risky, it also limits your opportunities. Remember, a larger balance provides you with more flexibility and resilience in the market. With a bigger account, you have the ability to weather short-term fluctuations and capitalize on profitable opportunities. Remember, success in trading is not just about making profits, it's also about preserving what you've worked hard to earn. Sign up if you want to be contacted from a regulated company in South Africa.